When you have your own cosmetic formula and you send it to the factory, please be sure the factory is using the suppliers that you specify for your raw material. The reason is the stability, the micro-challenge testing, the performance, everything is dependent on the raw material supplier house. And every supplier house, even though they have the same ingredient name, they can perform differently and have different stability. This is the reason why specification on the suppliers is very, very important. This is like when you buy brand A of coconut water versus brand B of coconut water. They all call coconut water, but I bet you they taste differently. Or you go to the restaurant, you say you want shrimp fried rice. The restaurant A shrimp fried rice will taste different than restaurant B shrimp fried rice. They all call the same, but they will never be the same. So the supplier ingredient house is extremely important. And this is also the reason why you don't buy raw materials off Amazon. I see a lot of people, they say they buy their materials off Amazon. How are you ever going to have quality control? Don't do that.